Welcome back to our Nucida channel to learn more about project milestones, test assignments, personal tasks, and email notifications. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. If you have any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Milestones in TestRail are used to help track the progress and timeline of an important target or testing goal, such as the public software release or testing phase. To organize these milestones, you can use the tab with the same name. This TestRail project has different milestones for different software releases. Of course, your milestones might be different depending on the type of target you want to track. When you create or edit a milestone, you can also set a due date, and in this way, you can see which milestone is coming up next. You can also mark a milestone as completed to separate these from the active and upcoming milestones on the overview page. Another thing you can do is assign specific test plans or test runs to your milestones. This allows you to easily track a milestone's progress and view all tests for a milestone immediately. If you are working on multiple product versions at the same time, milestones make it easy to track the test runs and results in parallel. Select a milestone to see the current overall status of the milestone and the results of all linked test runs. The overall status is especially useful as it can provide information about the quality of testing within this milestone and provide an overview of test progress. Grouping your test runs into milestones can be very useful since it allows you to see this broad overview of all the linked runs and provides an additional data point for testing metrics and reports. To link a test run to a milestone, simply select the milestone from the drop-down field when adding or editing your run. TestRail's to-do is another important element, which displays individual tasks for each member. A team lead can assign tests from within runs or plans to specific users, which will then appear in each user's to-do tab. Let's see how that works. If you go to a test run, select a few tests and assign them to yourself. You can then see those tasks in your to-do tab from the sidebar. Select and see other people's tasks, which is especially useful for team leads since they can see everyone's workload and assign new tasks accordingly, as well as filter the to-dos based on their status. Thanks to TestRail's rich user interface, you can also directly change the status of each test from this page. This can save a lot of time since there is no reason to go back and forth between the different tabs. Users can also subscribe to notifications for specific tests or even entire test runs. Just open an individual test or a test run and click on the email icon to subscribe or unsubscribe. I hope this video helps you understand more about how to use TestRail professionally. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell. Never forget our upcoming sessions. If you have any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Our ISTQB and TestRail certified QA experts will reply in time or even produce a new video about your topic. Please also check out our other videos. Happy testing. See you next time.